Hey, I'm Mario and I'm going to show you my blue front conure. Named Jack. He only likes females.
Yeah.
He has a bald chest.
I need to tell you why.
Why?
A long time ago, I was beating it up.
You can't beat him up.
What?
But see those papers in there? Those are papers that we were messing with him.
Yeah. And
See, and he bites stuff. But see, trying to bite the camera. Rawr. Rawr. Rawr.
See, look, he's trying to bite me. See?
No, don't.
Don't
Sonic.
bite me.
Don't bite me. Quit. He's getting mad.
We're about to eat
Put the ball.
We're about to eat cereal.
Yeah.
And look at my game. I'm playing
Yeah.
Pop Dropper.
Yeah. Sonic's playing Pop Jock because
Come on, guys.
this is not all about Pop Jock. Oh, bye. Our cereal is coming.